Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls, chief complainers, or people in Washington State who complain to Amazon about, complain to companies about my Amazon purchases. He will complain about my Amazon purchase to Gillette. So this is a new paranormal book. I love it that the alien is driving an Edsel. The UFO Hotspot Compendium. And this has a lot of pictures in it, maps, and this shows places around the country where there are UFO sightings. I cannot read the back, and not enough light. And this is the depiction of Lonnie Zamora's patrol car when he saw the UFO with 2 occupants in it in New Mexico. One of the more credible cases. And this is the Bradshaw Ranch. So I'll read this. I haven't read the Ruben Ariardi book because I put it down and I don't know where I put it. I've got a lot of reviews to do. This is the Imagatron. It was designed to attract UFOs. I don't think I've ever attracted any UFOs. And Montreal UFO, underwater extraterrestrial sites, the West Coast Tic Tac UFO, New Mexico, Sedona, the Phoenix Lights, the South Stardust Ranch, Creatone, Contacts, UFO Watchtower, Gulf Breeze sightings. There's Mothman. So we'll look through this and give a review of it when I have the time. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe, stay hydrated. Get an adult beverage, get a hot beverage. Watch the roads. The rain is coming tonight. And be safe. And watch the skies. Have a great evening. Bye-bye for now.